call me redneck, like it's a monster by pride. They don't know about me, how I live my life. I pick my guitar in smoky ballrooms nearly every single night, and I'm just trying to make a difference, and I'm okay with barely getting by. I love my country, I love my flag, I love the soldiers who fight and die for the freedom of my homeland. I believe the Constitution's the law of this land, but it's been trampled on by a bunch of politicians, man. So you can call me redneck. Well, hell, I'll tell you that I am. When it comes down to the truth, I'm just a common man. I grew up poor till I was a teen. Then my mom and dad built a successful company. But then their dreams, they all were shattered when Chrysler got shipped to Mexico. And now my dad, he's in the ground, and our house has been foreclosed. I love my country, I love my flag, I love the soldiers who fight and die for the freedom of my homeland. I believe the Constitution's the law of this land, but it's been trampled on by a bunch of politicians, man. So you can call me a redneck. Well, hell, I'll tell you that I am. When it comes down to the truth, I'm just